in your Lasernet connector for F&O, you have the ability to do a performance check on a single report. You enable it by going to Modules, Lasernet, Setup, Parameters. In your parameters under the tab Performance and in the tracking here, you can now set it either to simple or to full, or you can disable it. It is disabled by default, but let's try and show what a simple indicator looks like. It is also enabled for a single user. In this case, I'm using my admin ID. Save this, go and print a Lasernet report. In this case, I'm just going to do the invoice and see what kind of performance I have here in my system. You can see the blue bar up here at the top, the blue ribbon, and it has all the message detail. In the simple view, you get very little information, but you can see that they printed in 1.234 seconds. And maybe that's all you need to know. Let's say you have a report that runs slow, maybe 5, 10, 11 seconds. This is an indicator real quick that you have something else going on in your query. So in that case, I would go back and I would enable the full. Let me save that. Go back here. Let's run the same report with the new setting. And now you can troubleshoot all the different joints, all the different ranges you've set, the sorting, everything you put into your query will be listed here with whatever speed it took to perform it. So very, very useful. It is part of the Lasernet connector for F&O, no extra charge. I use this a lot to performance test a report or even troubleshoot a query that is running slow.